What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at Magneticracing's twin tower, turnable light tower for slot car scale 132. There is 4 sheets actually, but I only have the 3 ones here. The 4th one is for electrical box. They come on this MDF, laser cut MDF, and I primed it black, so that's what I start with. And it's easier to build them like this in segments and paint them. I paint them with airbrush. Metallic colors go on very nice on black, so you don't have to be very consistent in every angle here. It will spread nice and even. At least it did with airbrush. I use Vallejo metal color, not this one, but I think mine is called silver or something. I don't have it here, I have it in the garage, but that's the brand I use. And for priming, I went for the Army Painter matte black spray cans. It's faster than doing it with airbrush. So I'm gonna cut out every piece here. The only thing that I keep black is these 2 parts here. And I use the Gorilla Glue as Magneticracing suggested, and I have used this before when I built other buildings, and a nice cutting knife. And then I use a little cutting mat, because there's small joints here that you need to pin out, but most of the time you can just kind of push them out without damaging them, so that's fine. Yeah, so I'll be back when I've removed every piece of this. You out. Whoa! I'm done. A splinter. Very nice. Right in the store toe. Okay, so now we have cut out every piece in the MDF sheets. So we have every single piece here. There's a lot of pieces here. Very much. We'll start to assemble. So the first 3 pieces you need is this one here, the button. There's 3 different base plates. This is the middle one, so I'm gonna go for that. Another piece here that looks like this. So we'll just put them on the A's here. Yeah, they can only go one way, like this. And then we take the outer part here. We have 2 of those. And then we just slide down here, this, and push down. There we go. And a little bit more. There we go. And just put this in place. I'm not gluing anything right now. I'm just fitting it together. And then you can take this piece also. It's possible to do the cables with this piece on, so you don't have to worry about putting it all together, nearly all together, like this one. You can go like this, then you have to do the cables when you're in this stage. I have this is my 4th one, so I'm making 8 pieces, and they're twin lights. So yeah, we'll just put this piece together here, put it back on the plate here. Doesn't really want to work with me here. There we go. Then I just turning it like this, and then I'm gluing all the 4 joints here. This part doesn't need to be that perfect because it's the bottom. Then the thing I do, I glue the top parts here, and this part here, and here, and here, and the rest will stay put. You don't need to worry about that. And in this stage, like this, I keep it like that, and then I airbrush the gun metallic on, and then I assemble it with cables and stuff. I can show you a finished piece here when it's all done. And it looks like this. I kept the grid here black. I think it looks nice. And put some grass on the base plate here. I've put the cables in the middle here to each lamp. So there are two, and the best thing about these are that you can point them exactly where you want them. You can't tilt them like this, but you can tilt them to the sides. So I will have 8 of these on my track. But this will take a lot of time to put every cable under the track and everything, but they look very, very good. They are very nice. So I think this has dried a little bit now. So we'll put a little glue here, take a new toothpick here, like this, and just put a little blob here, and there. That's perfect. And now you just have to center it, and it's kind of tricky actually to get it really straight here. And just remove the excess glue here. We want it to be as straight as possible. We'll just have to wait for it to dry. I think this will be good. And now I will put some glue here on the second part from the top down, a little bit here, just so I can secure it in 2 places. You don't have to glue every joint, it doesn't matter, as long as you're not gonna stand on it with your feet. That's pretty much it, the first piece here, and that has cured now, so that's good. So let's move on to the next step. Then we have these 2 parts here, these 2 parts, and you have the circles here. So you need 4 of them, 4 of these small little circles, and you will glue them exactly down here. And you need this piece here, so you will glue this one in the center here, like that. When you buy a building from Magneticracing, you get a password so you can see their instructions on how to build them. So they're probably more accurate than I'm doing this, but this is how I do it. So sometimes it's nice to watch a video of how you put things together. But then I'm just a stupid Swedish guy, so when you put the 2 circles there and here and the square piece here, you're pretty much done with this step. So you can put these 2 aside. Just keep in mind that putting these 2 on the right side here, but there are markings for them, so just put them on the markings and try to get them as centered as possible, because the moving parts are on these 2 and these 2 here. Yes, so moving on to the next step. So now you will have this piece here. You will put that on the top here, so it faces the square hole here, not like that. So you put it like this over the top, and you put it down and slide it down like that. Then you are going to need all 4 of these parts here, and you will put them underneath here. I don't know if you see that, but underneath there, and glue them. So I will be doing that. I got a lot of glue on my fingers, and that will probably stay on for a week. Yeah, there is the supports, the 4 pieces there. So this piece is actually done now, so we can move on to making the other small pieces here. So for the next part you need 4 of these. I think they are identical. They are for the support for the LED panel. Here are 4 brackets that you need, 2 for each pair. So the thing I do with these, I just put one down here and I turn them like this. I don't know if you can see it, but like that. And then I put the top part here on like this, and that's pretty straight. And then I just put 4 dots of Gorilla Glue here in the joints here. There we go. And then I just go about smoothing it out a little bit, like that. And then it's finished. I will not show you the other part because it's exactly the same. And then I will just try to not get so much glue on my fingers. And then I'm just looking at it, seeing if it's centered a little bit there. That's perfect. And then I put it on the side to let it dry, and then I do the other part. So I will do this and I'll come back. So here we're on the next step here. So you need this piece here, 2 of those and 2 of these here, and you can see that it's in line with this piece here, so you just glue it down exactly straight on top of this, and then you will turn it around and put these parts here inside like that, so you get a frame, because the LEDs are gonna be inside of here, and then you put this on the outside, but I do this when I have painted these metallic, so but I keep this black because it's a little bit nicer to have in another color than silver, because everything is silver. So I will be gluing down this now, putting down small blobs here of Gorilla Glue. Don't need much, that's probably good, that's pretty straight. And then there you can just clean it up a little bit if you want to. And let's turn it around, so let's put it like this, and then we will take, and we have 2 long pieces, 2 short, so I just put a little bit of glue here, then we turn it around and put it down here like this. Perfect. And before it fully dries, I take a little bit, a smaller bit here, and I put it in kind of quick if you can, and just center the frame a little bit. It's nicer when it's straight. Then I will put down this side also. Glue on the thumb. And just center this a little bit, so you have it like this, and then I do the outer part straight after this like that, and then I just hold it a little bit till it dries, so you get this nearly perfect square here. But this will bend a little bit when you put the LEDs in, but you can use a little glue then and just press it so you can get it straight, but you will not notice it on the track if it's not very bent. This part here, so I will make another one and then I will get back. I forgot about this piece here. This is a part you need also. This is a little bit fragile here. I was thinking about painting this blue as my other small details on the track, but I think there is enough blue on the track, so this will just be silver as the rest of the lamppost. This piece, you have this part, the top part, so this will be placed like this and just glue it down. I put my fingers in each corner here to center it. I think that's the easiest way of centering it. So let's put this down here. Let's do a lot of small little glues here. Then I just do the toothpick here. Very good. So I just missed that part, but you need to have that on. That goes on the top here later on when you have these parts like this. It will fall off, and then you have the top part up on there. So yeah, I have a lot of stadium lights to do, 4 left, and then a lot of airbrushing. This I ordered from Magneticracing, so it's a power adapter, and then it hooks up to this like that, and then you have positive and negative cables. Then it just runs up here in there, and then you have for each LED light they have good instructions on how to hook the cables up on their site. If you buy something like this, get these clippers and everything you need. So there's just positive and negative to the LED lights, and the LED light comes like this with positive and negative with M3 tape on the back side, and you just put them inside of these frames here, and then it just goes down like that and run the cable outside there, and then you have the net on the outside. But this is like a finished piece here, so it turned out really good, I think. So this looks amazing, these things. What's up guys, now I have assembled every lamppost So now every piece will be silver colored, like this finished one. I'm going to airbrush now for a while. There's lots of pieces. So I will be right back when I have painted every one of this. So now I'm finished with the airbrushing here. There is a lot of pieces and it took like 1.5 hours or something, 2 hours, I don't know. But we're getting there. The worst part of all of this is that I have junk all the way under here, and this garage is not very big, so the whole piece needs to come out. It stands on wheels, but you can only move it like this. You can see here I have the wheels there, and then we have the other problem that I have built shelves all over, so I have to drill holes through the track, do all the cable management, move everything out from here, and then move the whole track towards me so it's centered in the room. That's how I have had it when I was building the track. Then start drilling, doing the cables, but yeah, I think it will it'll really pop the track. I can light this up so you can see how it looks. Wait a second. And this is how it looks with the lights on. Let's shut the lights off. And then it looks like this. It's just so nice. It really pops. So 8 of these on the track will, I think will look really good. They are really bright, very white shine. Yeah, I think this will be a great addition to the track. And thank you Magneticracing for a great order, and it was insanely fast delivery. A couple of days only. The only thing is the taxes. It's kind of expensive, but it was really worth it. Put some grass on the base plate here. Turned out really good. I'm making a little bit of progress, and I'm figuring out the wiring also. You have to connect them parallel, and there will be 2 systems on the track. One with 4 and the other one with 4 to the power adapter with some smart switches. So now I've finished the lights on the track. Still a bit dark here. I have to do something about that. But other than that, this came out really good. I'm so happy with this. Still a clean look. It's a little bit in the way, but not too much. Still a clean track. That's what I'm going for. It took like 6 days or something because I have kids. I don't have time to do this. So this is how it looks. I hope you liked this video, and I'm about to end the video right now. But if you have any questions, just leave a comment. And yeah, that's about it. So see you guys in the next one.